Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have already solved up to question 40 in my previous video. Today we are going to start from question 41 of 2018 IMO paper set B of class 6. So let's get started. Question 41. A bag contains 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise coins in the ratio 5:6:8. If the total amount is 420 rupees, then find the total number of coins. The bag contains 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise in the ratio 5:6:8. If we take one part as x, so 1 rupee coin will be 5x, 50 paise will be 6x and 25 paise will be 8x. 250 paise become 1 rupee. 425 paise become 1 rupee. So 5x plus 6x by 2 plus 8x by 4 is equals to 420. If we solve this, we can find the value of x, which is 42. So 5x will be 210, 6x will be 252 and 8x will be 336. Now the total number of coins will be 210 plus 252 plus 336 will get 798. So the answer will be option A. Now question 42. Manju runs around a rectangular park of length 35 meter and breadth 20 meter. Minu runs around a square park of side 30 meter. Who covers less distance and by how much? If Minu takes 4 rounds and Manju takes 3 rounds completely. Length and breadth of the rectangular park is given. So distance covered by Manju will be 3 multiplied by 2 into 35 plus 20, which is the perimeter of the rectangle, and she covers 3 rounds. Similarly, distance covered by Minu will be 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 30. 4 multiplied by 30 is the perimeter of the square, so it will be 480 meter. Now we got that Manju covers less distance, and if we subtract this, we will get how much less distance he covered. So 480 minus 330, it will be 150 meter. So the answer will be option C. Now question 43. A bus starts its journey at 5:30 am and reaches its destination at 9:15 pm with a stoppage time of 2 hours. Find the ratio of the stoppage time to the total journey period. Bus starts its journey at 5:30 am. That means starting time of the bus is 5:30 am and reaching time is 9:15 pm. So the duration of the journey will be 15 hours 45 minutes, which is equals to 945 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, so it will be 945 minutes. Now the ratio will be 120 divided by 945, which is equals to 8/63. So the answer will be 8:63, which is option B. Now question 44. Mr. Ahuja purchased 2 maths books for 167.50 rupees each, 3 science books for 1375.75 rupees and 4 computer science books for 168.55 rupees each. He gave 5 notes of 500 rupees each to the shopkeeper. How much amount will he get back? Cost of 1 math book is given, so we can find cost of 2 maths book, which will be 335 rupees. Similarly, cost of 4 computer science books will be 672.20 rupees. Now the total money will be 2384.95 rupees. He gave 5 notes of 500 rupees to the shopkeeper, so total amount he gave 5 multiplied by 500, which is equals to 2500 rupees. So money he get back 2500 minus 2384.95 rupees, which is equals to 115. 05 rupees. So the answer will be option D. Now question 45. Find the number of envelopes that can be made out of a sheet of paper 384 cm by 168 cm if each envelope requires a piece of paper of size 16 cm by 12 cm. Here length and breadth of the sheet paper is given, which is 384 cm and 168 cm respectively. So we can find area of the paper, which will be 64,512 cm square. Similarly, length and breadth of the envelope is given, which is 16 cm and 12 cm respectively. So area of the envelope will be 192 cm square. Now number of envelope can be made 64,512 divided by 192 will get 336. So the answer will be option C. Now coming to the achiever section, question 46. Study the given statements carefully, state T for true and F for false and select the correct option. Statement I. If a number is a factor of each of the given two numbers, then it must be a factor of their difference. This statement is true. Similarly, 2i, if a number is divisible by another number, then it must be divisible by each of the factors of that number. This statement is also true. Now statement 3i, if a number is divisible by another number, then it is also divisible by all the multiples of that number. This statement is false. Now IV, no prime number other than 2 is even, but every odd number is necessarily a prime number. This statement is also false, so the answer will be option B. Now question 47. Solve the following and select the correct option. If you solve option I, it will be 26.752. Option A and D both are having 26.752. So let's check for option 2i. After solving 2i, we'll get 10 whole 9 by 35, which is option A. So the answer will be option A. Now question 48. Select the incorrect match. If figures are made up of identical squares and identical equilateral triangles of side 3 cm each. Equilateral triangles means all sides are equal. Look at option A. There are 13 sides, so the perimeter will be 13 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 39 cm square. Similarly, option B, there are 10 sides, so the perimeter will be 3 multiplied by 10, will get 30 cm square. In option C, there are 35 sides, so the perimeter will be 3 multiplied by 35, will get 105 cm square. In option D, there are 11 sides, so the perimeter will be 3 multiplied by 11, will get 33 cm square. So the correct answer will be option D, which is 36. Now question 49. Find the value of P, Q, R and S. Hexagonal prism. This is a hexagonal prism. So number of vertices is 12, number of faces is 8 and number of edges is 18. So sum of the vertices and faces will be 20 and the difference of the number of edges and vertices will be 6. Similarly, in a pentagonal pyramid, number of vertices is 6, number of faces 6, number of edges 10. So the sum of vertices and faces will be 12 and difference of number of edges and vertices will be 4. So the correct answer will be option A. Now coming to question 50. Match the following and select the correct option. P, 40 lakhs is equals to dash millions. It will be 4 millions. Now Q, the value of V multiplied by C multiplied by M multiplied by X is dash. Value of V is 5, C is 100 M is 1000 and X is 10. So their multiplication will be 50 lakh. Now our product of 4444 and our number is 3,844,060. The number is dash. So product of 4444 and our number is 3,844,060. So A will be 3,844,060 divided by 4444 will get 865. Now is estimated product of 2038 and 123 is dash. If we round it off to the nearest 100, 2038 will be 2000 and 123 will be 100. So their product will be 2000 multiplied by 100. It will be 2 lakh. So the answer will be option D. PIV, Q2I, RI and S3I. Thanks for watching.